Look at all the birds. All kinds of colors. Black with the red, the yellows, the browns. It's the season for all of them to come and eat. There's a whole bunch of red ones a little earlier. I hope they come back. Oh, someone's trying to come in. Oh, that great big black one with the red is scaring some of them away. See them walk through. Oh, there you go. He got in. Just got in on the other side. Oh, look. Isn't that beautiful? See all the colors of the birds. Yeah, now he's gone. There'll be a lot more coming in. Aren't they cute? There's a yellow. There's another red one. There's a couple of red ones there. The yellow is really yellow, isn't it? Beautiful. Someone else right on top. Not so yellow. Get down there if you want to eat. All just enjoying it all. Oh, somebody else wants in. Look at that. More than one in. Oh, a brown one now. Yellow's gone. Down to two. That one's hanging on this side. That way he gets to stay. He's not pushed out by anybody else flying in. Smart cookie. All right. He's gone. Oh, there's a red one on the other side too. He's gone. Oops. All right. Now it looks empty. Everybody's gone. They'll be back. All right. Bye-bye now.